Now guys, we have created a Facebook account because we need to run meta ads. So now after creating the account, there are some steps you need to follow to properly set up your account so that you don't miss any important thing. Clear? And I am showing you the same thing on the screen as before. Where we left, we are starting from there. As you can see, I have created an account here. I have to fix the settings here and I need to do all the setup for this. Okay? But what I need to do for that, the account I have here, I went to this account in my account and my account is created as you can see here. I have set up a profile picture in my account, and if we want, then we can change it to. Regarding the profile picture, I explained you this before that your display picture should be clear, as when you upload your ID, it should match with it. If your account gets suspended, disabled or restricted, your ID and profile can be matched to verify your identity. Furthermore, here as you can see on the screen, you can add a cover photo. As of now, I am uploading a photo for my cover photo here. I hope you all are following me. So here I am uploading a dummy here, and I am doing this because I haven't created this yet. Therefore, I am putting a random banner here. As you can see on the screen, a profile photo will appear in this way. Whatever photo you want to add here, you can put it. Right guys? After doing this, we will click on the save changes here. Now our profile photo is set, and as you can see, it's good. This is my profile picture and cover photo. No, sorry guys, this will be the cover photo and below will be the profile picture. Now here, next step will be to edit your profile, and you can do it from here. While here we are getting things which we need to fill and complete. It's given get started, and if I click on it, my profile will be live. I have also added my cover photo. Now it's add bio, and in add bio, I need to add details about myself here, right? Hi, I am Hitesh Gupta, a digital marketer. Hence, I have written a little bit about myself here. I am Nitesh Gupta and I am a digital marketer. Here I have to write about myself and my achievements. You have to write an intro in this for around 200 to 300 words. Moreover, it should be impressive enough that if someone visits your profile, then they get inspired after reading your bio. Therefore, this way you can write your bio and save it. You can edit your bio. It's not like that you can't make changes after you save it. You can edit it later as well. After editing the bio, we will move on to the edit details. Here are the lot of details that we have to fill. Like this one. As you can see that we have to add pronouns, workplace and secondary school. Workplace means where you work, and you need to add your professional information. What is secondary school? Secondary school means from where you got your education, like I did from J.D. Tetler School. You can add a university or college, whatever you want to add, you can. Next is current town and city. This means where are you living currently? Let's say you are from Punjab. Currently you are living in Delhi, then you mentioned your town or city here, and then you have hometown below. What is your hometown? Where are you actually from? Then you can mention your relationship status here. Are you married or single? The website is written here. Now it's asking you whether you want to keep your profile public, make it visible to friends, or keep it only me or custom. We are keeping it public. You can keep it for your friends. It's your choice. Let's confirm it. So the social links that you have here are public, or it's your choice. How do you want to keep them? Do you want to show them, or should it be public? After doing this, as soon as we will save it, all the information would have updated, but I did not put any information, whereas you have to write your details. Then don't put any incorrect detail on your profile. Next, as you can see on the screen here, we have another option which is shown as edit features. Okay guys? Then we will move the cursor to the add new option, and here we need to upload some more pictures. So I can add some of my collections of photos, but this can be done later. Currently, we have successfully added a cover photo and a profile picture, and we have also taken the time to write a bio. We have completed all of this. We have added details. I told you to write correct information. Therefore, after performing these actions here, your profile, which you have set up your account here, the things you needed to update, we have successfully completed them. Clear? Similarly, you have to complete your profile. In the upcoming video, under this course, I will tell you about more Facebook account settings, which are important features. There are very important settings that you will need for the long term when we teach you how to run ads or meta ads. Those settings will be useful for you. If any day you are in between a problem related to your account, then these settings will help you.
Stay connected, or whatever I am teaching you, implement it practically,
so that you can learn it completely and later practice it. Thank you guys.